Idan ani mentah kan ke Jakarta ke bagi penlong ya taka Startup World Cup. Di kebangan pajus ngom nu menurut kamu ke World Cup jong kinong sengkam lejong. This is kasmoper so kelaba kum ketaka World Cup jong kinong sengkam lejong. Kini ke tim you, kini klub you, kini ke Rio, kini one day World Cup sini.
India.
Kila qualify ni em. Lah qualify.
Bharat Mahan, Suzuki ingin qualify.
Dah, nasi arung sepok mentah. Okay, what? Alright, let's get inside. We are in the World Cup, baby. World Cup start off. World Cup start off. She's the referee.
Oh my goodness me.
She's the referee.
Yes, the goalkeeper and the referee at the same time.
Yeah, chalo.
Basically, I agree on 95% of everything he's talking about. I would simply say that if you don't have your own capital, then you may need some capital. So I would look at trying to raise $1 million, but not from VCs, from super angels and other people who have a different set of expectations and so on, and then they become advisors on your board. One thing I would say for everybody here, especially in Europe, I'm amazed how many, and remember I'm half European.
Hello everybody, I'm Stefan from Minimus, and I want to tell you about how we're going to make second-hand selling super easy and why that's important for everyone in this room. So 45% of all carbon emissions come from the production, transportation and disposal of consumer goods. So iPhones, shoes, everything in between. All the stuff that we buy often ends up looking like this or like this. That's because reuse is super hard, it's super difficult to sell stuff. What's our lever to change? Well, we need to make it a lot easier, right? And that's where Minimus comes in. So I want you to think of your storage cupboard at home, maybe your, wherever you have lots of secondhand stuff that you don't need. If you want to sell it on Wilhelm or Vinted, maybe Facebook Marketplace, similar marketplace, you have to take pictures, write descriptions, research the price, negotiate this kind of let's the price thing. You probably experienced it, like people being weird. Same with like creepy and rude questions. I don't know if you've ever encountered this. We've spoken to a number of women, for example, who've experienced sexual harassment online. And with Minimus, I'm happy to say you don't have to deal with any of that. You just snap and sell. So let's say you're taking a picture of this blazer, you don't need it. In just a few seconds, boom, we create a perfect online listing for you. And some of you may notice that we've generated an AI model who's wearing that garment. And this is really cool because it actually increases the value of the item quite a lot online, and also means you don't have to, take pictures of yourself. So yeah, let's make secondhand selling super easy. And I'd like you guys to come up here. Another way to make money. Cool.
Thank you very much. So tell us a bit more about the team.
Interesting.
Can I go back? Yes. Cool. So we're 6 people, about to be 7 kind of soon.
Right. How about we do somewhere there? I mean, there's a lot of noise and all that. Can you hear me speaking? Can you hear me speak? I think we better do somewhere there, that side. Yep. Come. So what we usually do is that we go around. Yeah. Yes. Better. How about just point your camera this side? You will also be here with me. Yeah, but better that way, no? So I'm joined here by Sanas, yes. She's also on Instagram. She's a content creator based in Vienna, and she does a lot of content here, and you should give her a follow. She's from Iran, by the way, and she does a lot of things there as well.
But you are looking to do something like this in Europe, yeah?
Yes, if there is the opportunity.
Yeah,
like
of
that.
course there are many opportunities, especially I know some platforms, they are about UGC creator, if you know.
Yes.
and this one also is the same. Beauty creators.
All right.
But about influencers, there was some, but they weren't so working, active and effective. Yes.
Okay.
But
I
of
see,
course,
I see.
everything on social media is very good these days.
Right.
And I have also an idea which I'm looking forward for the meeting and to making it come up. It's something near this topic. It's not the same exactly, but it's about viraling, making viral some, for example, a product or a topic.
Yes. Right. So it's more like helping companies, brand their products online and getting the
To make it
visibility and all
viral.
that. Yes. Yeah.
Because because I'm now studying a lot on how algorithm works
Yes,
in social media,
Right.
and when you know how it works, you can make them viral. Yes.
Makes sense. Yes. All right.
It was so nice to meet you.
Yeah. Same here.
Yes, wish you a lot of success.
Yes. Give her a follow. Give her a follow.
We met before,
I was missing.
He was busy with, so you can introduce him.
Yes, so I have a media startup back at home,
yes.
in our place, and we specialize in content creation. So I'm a content creator myself.
Yes.
But so we do a lot of storytelling.
Yes.
Through our videos and documentaries and all that.
Oh, wow.
So short content creation. We also partner with government agencies in spreading awareness and all that.
Yes.
So
On
recently,
different topics.
yes, in different topics.
Yeah.
Just recently, we partnered with the Global Health Strategies.
Yes.
Where spreading awareness of different health topics, awareness campaigns to people in the remote areas, because there in our place there are few villages where they don't have access to newspapers and any forms of printed materials
Yes, I
to
can
share
imagine.
information and all that, but they do have access to an internet. So that's how we use these platforms,
Oh, that's
use
great.
the network of influencers and content creators
Oh.
to spread the message that way.
So it's also a social startup.
Yes.
Yes. But I love this. Thank you so much.
So let's go because she's also having a
Yes, we will not keep you holding. Thank you so much for your time. And please also, can you also share my mobile number
I will.
in the group, because it's not on my business card, but then we can stay in touch.
Stay
connected. Yeah,
As per GDPR, if you approve, then I will do.
I approve.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So nice meeting you.
Yeah, she will have a
thank
picture.
you.
Yeah, please.
You also, sir.
Okay.
In future,
We will see you again. Yes. Looking forward, me too. And thank you so much.
She wanted a picture with her product.
Oh, sure. Yes, of course.
All right, one, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3. A big smile. All right, beautiful.
Thank you so much, and congratulations to all your work. And I
Thank
really
you,
love
thank
your
you.
work as well.
Thank you.
Very nice to meet you. Let's stay in touch, because I really think there is a... Oh, thank you so much. Thanks. That's very kind of you. Thank you.
Ma'am, when you come to Shillong,
Yes.
so she will give you the welcoming with a shawl, and then he will take care of you at the same time. I will give you food.
And he will make
Yes. Saving all the memories.
When you leave, she'll give you a basket.
memories.
Yeah, so that you can keep all the items in that basket.
I will collect everything. That's a great idea. Let's do it like that. And then when you come back to Vienna, we will do the same for you.
Thank you.
So we
Thank
should
you.
really make that happen as well.
Thank you, Lena.
So let's stay in touch, and thank you so much for introducing your brands and your products to me. I really love it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We'll
Thank
see you
you.
later.
We'll see each other.
Yeah,
See you later.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
It's a pleasure meeting you. Bye. I don't have any free hands anymore.
It's okay.
Bye. Bye. Thank you. Hello.
la choi ke long mas ni bu di ang basta
Bisa pinawanda kan dong ngalak picture de berapa?
yang
ada donri kadang kenduk beri siapa?
Really, it's good.
Ngam apa orangnya keren ya.
Itu on YouTube ini.
So, perlu nilai dia pergi kam kijam ngisongi metas ni. Hadirin kejingwan ya banda ya kendu ki brio wan ya wan ki function beber ibadah ni ba mitui tahu syu. Di mentang dan hakni ke Jaka kani ke bangi kendu memang man ke sengi Ahmad jangan ni yang mana ba ni. Di ko anj pini bi keniat daga ya kerukom jam kerukom le. Sengobha ki brio shene kidan hang ni po pak pe ni kani ka pak behe ba kum ni man ke sengi ki juwan ki brio keleng-keleng nak keleng-keleng melwan songkah ni ba kani de kamban ni ka tolong betam jing ruai. Chalo. Dia kani ni ada jaka biki ya. Song. Terang laju ngelada peniteng hit video belada pangi. Gua mtasngi pat gede beladon compare kena to bade diki. Dak jing tam jing put. Pat gi mabun ki ni chalender jong. Kamu special kena tak bai day bat ka berkompenlong ya kani ya mentah. Kidus jungi shelur ki don om tip show. Pat ki kami show. Celuk dan Sengap kata ka jingtam ke jongki kilong try kelam ni ki jingtam traditional try jongki kom tem culture sini bak sulong pis pas ba ka sini naro ki brio hadu ki kena ki nong tre ki kat badan ki bailong ayu bail lalak ki long khu ki long klya
What's up?
I registered at Salon Future.
And the best part bitem nem man spini phi hadu kat no ka khoj kani ka jaka Tapi bici tep hadu kanu khoi ni jaka. Pene spini phi juti nai. Pen kam so tu kanian kalong lo mo. Hai. Sa. Di. Ini am dan nang iki ru ikop kumadang. Ikop kumadang sudah sai. Nemar ba ka khoi ba. Tem dan keti dan ni ai. Teki lentia ki singkian ru ki sok ba ban leng. Hani kita mini kipak berir pergi kena kilaban song ile kai bagi ngangit nakalian ki kimi kepala ni nakalian jok sarkar lesen ki bor bapet bagi bor berdipek bor balor ki ngatrai ki bu priority bah by day par ke jing ai lat ki kena bikin nang kin su bikin nang man le kai ko bila kai football ki kena ante ki beli skateboarding beli magic balik hak teh jaka kam sate salinder sate teh ke yeng teh but kunjuru ki balong outdoor kum ni nomor basi sini ladap sau steng san baje mentali ladan uje mentah uri mentari lah new steng kalau ada ni new steng kamu kibri kila elek lut kila ya lek miski park la lek miski jaka ki baki ke Songkai bet kuwe te ka bam kadi hang ni ru kadi kuwe ka ba kham long concern keniat ka ba le sebun beng jupi kila ju keliru kalong kumnu kata ka bam kadi atau ka rem ne ka tat ne ban le si lardi baka rem ru hadu kanu ka rem la katar hadu kanu katat te ngalap sebatai kumni balardi ba pilih bam haki jaka paiban ni pilih bam restauran kan kadori pi kan dei kumba khatsan hadu arpo euro kumamut kumba khatsan spa hadu arhajar ye kalaban khamkiu kata kumba lai hajar sauja san hajar kan poi di restoran te ki jing bam ki bam pan ni food stall ini ki street food bagi wem dala banyo tang kumba si kanu sau euro ye kumba sau spa tinggai sau san spa tinggai te karem karem teman dia lada ya khen bat kiwi kiri jong ka Europe kan ni ke khamtat kenian ban ka bagi brio bro juan bansa ni jaka namar kasuk rukom trei rukom kta rukom song ban ka babun ma kana kani ka rukom long juki building ke property hani ka jaka ki yeng ki semem nyop ho persen ni ke ke balam la un la ni ke bala long try da ka sarkar manong lo di dekat City of Vienna kebalong di kata di bagi tu yang bagi orang malah di kuat yeng kamu pisau keli bagi orang kuat yeng di lala menyo yeng di something like that di tamalong but di nata kada ka khamtat keniat ka baywai ka khamtat benda khen kiwi di kidan ki perlo jungi ki basa haki jaka ki ba khamlong sor keniat ka baywai kan pai kumba 1,000 ye tang ka baywai sudah tibat ka bay ka bay laj bay kan pai kumta silak lai pos lak sau po si benai I yeng I bamda long hadu kata ru besubiang ten re la dei ba pilek kham su jangai pat kamu ikabai yeng kan poi kuma sau po lai po du sau po hajar ye kuma lai spa kuma 3000 euros ye kamu kan poi te kita di kirukam long jong ka jaka sini but karem lebih kelinga karem lebih kau kawan kas ni piong karem ni mahoi karem tama bihaban plan lupa tak rukam aku sisngi katlu bin bam kabai hotel sini kalau kapai kat songdor pi kumba 8,000 euro hakashi sini haki peak season kamut kumba si hajar subuh hapling si hajar tu 8,000 sini kamut kumba 10,000 8,000 tingkai hakashi sini tela da pile kalau da piwan seskal kulin upaya lagi berkait dengan lepiwan tugut menin ngelayo balik song yaki lagi jaka song kai jaka lilia kemen hang te apo kadon kini ke kikot kata ka prater kini jaka amusement park kebal pio ilut baru kait nong sedong tu ke jaka pio long makulan sama kakulan pak bahe kebabas tinglayo song roller coaster ru ke bang ma de bat lahir hang tu sus tau su laja sebab tu pia ngelasong tu sus tau su tama ka sound bat kamlong apor mangale video di sakale ngani song yang nem ngamtip tama sepet di nang tu ngiyo banlej banwan banyaj bat nang te ngiyo banwan yaj bat nang taka kejat kuma nyo shiken tatam iya kejat ngipoi kani ke jaka hakni balong kani jaka kami di ban ngiyo I ya ke jinglong jaka and plus sisi sandi le ki khang kim pli ke khang lut dong sedong babun ki khang tamalong pan kim khang do ka dukan ru ka pli in the sense tang ki khang yet pila bani ki mar ki mata pila bani ayu bagi ki ai bat kumta ter den rei banong bagi peni batit di penu yo batit de kumta hi ka ru komlong ka sedong ka tha ko long sengan de bat ki breu ki ya ki yang kham dan jing pruit de kinum penwet ye pi la fi penwet ye ki menin le ting la sa mai ru ka ko ka khana khum bakala ban ki jubun ba ki polok jongir ki balong umtai ki bam da skutera ban peni kamera sakmat ngabang nang yat kumni teng ayo ba khum poi ni kamera kum tu te ngamte biru te layat sedien te ka khnyum te khamte bi ki dan polok beda manga ki ai ka tu khnyum I pila songo pleng sini pemda long ba bi kim da long open banda le video kum tu bikin mi Ahmad kini rakti kim da long gum da tene ki khamlong conservative kini ki khamlong bistu kamlong na kay kim dalong keluit pa ba ano kata kamlong more privacy concern de takadaw ibri kilong kam kilong jajay ba kumhang ni ru bat kawai ni kabang iyan ni em kalong makani culture ni kani kabas tanat ba yaki jingdi babunjat kila kalong ki wine la kalong ki kerja beer ki babunjat bat ki ba per hala ki jong kita jingdi pangat dan taki kena kita jingdi pangat dan taki samla ki temen nadong sedong de bat ka per ma ka culture sini man ba pi pile chinu ki abi pi de jingdi kila pimtre da ka beer pimtre da ka kiat tigi ram whisky bagi ki ai la ni pimtre da ka nunu ka jingdi ka penbuat ni ka pen pangadam kila banai pi de jingdi pat ka ba khamher kaniat di bros kata ngadi kini ki belong juice ki belong apple juice kumlo ra kilom api ai kum tu ki ba kilong kum Coca-Cola ru kendiat meluma kum ke Sprite kum tu de da kata ngadi sini tenik babun ni ki kini ki perlok ki bajumlien ban kum ta kan bajumlien ban baju penmelien ya kamet jolajong khli jolajong men penjat hai de jingdi ba per sini pila ban yo lut kum kita ki bro hai de even wine ru ka wine ru di kawai ka ba best bal fites la tasting ka biang ni tene ka ba kham su sho hi ki kum so ya ka di khamrung di so ki wi ja chindi tem la ni ra de so that's how kani ka jaka kalong welcoming lo bro hai ki bun ba ki bri na kaleng pertai ki wan sa ang ni kamdai ka snong tang jong kinong Austria ka di ka snong jong ka pertai bro kawai de ka ba pinawan de best plan ani ki enjoy mata ki bri ki shot ki shong ki di ki drinks kani lagi yo free drinks sakate ti jaka ti yo free drinks ti jaka ti ka bar yo free drinks pimdan kamban lut de pimdan kamban ban siwe la pi dai pat hi jong kani ka festival ka badai kita ka Vienna festival belong ka tente di Kerteng Vienna festival kemud pishwan ini shong bam ka baman di ka baman hadu pinala thai sling yo shi de tangata perlok sya yang mentangan berkono ini video soal batai pi tang ita yang komlong ke jaka sini le selesai nanang pani susu ipi te compare pi long komno la pi de nang no ru la pi don hi pisah kaliat pi ka ban wan kai wan makani di jaka belong save ba pil sang kat bamon pile kat bamon komong hari lejong kat bamon nem kani hari nong wei ru kla hi ban le bamon tama pim don kam pim long wa pendut pa di gi wei mo tah ngilai dap kani nantanang ni na po kani ka startup World Cup kadika World Cup jong ki startup hang ni ayo manikiran bagi babun bahagi katu kani ki perlok jengin na keleng-keleng ki bana kiri ba fer bat menta ngini lenyo sha koi ba jaka tidun sheme api koi pa video perlok nai pe di video inang don bun singin ni po Vienna ki bingin le ni snai pe chuchu mat ngilai yo sibun ki jing tip ki jing nang ji tip kong ye sha pi yo ji mentoy yo hadu menta ki wan chini
sibun ki jing mentoy ngilai yo ya ka networking ngilai kendu ya ki babun ni thạch man
oke tong cái nhong long sukli mà mình penting lah mo yo dei tanam tak video tem long tong nata de
si sa ken
ha tak kan
bale hing
tong nganget ken tong nganget ngasukli ru
ho ni yo sibun ki ngilai ya kendu ya ki dong Austria ki dong German nang ta kendu ki wei ru ki para startup nang tangi kendo ki investor ngi kendo ru ya buat ki mentor ki consultant ki bala ai sibun ki long ki jing ai jing mut yang ngi kan nilai yo jing mentoy ru na ka ba
nang shu shabi dot di kong you pat di kong Jennifer pat kong Jennifer pat
kom no aks
yam kai be pi bro banta ki jing mentoy pi pila yo aduh banta
tôi bằng ngày dọn này cái cả chừng văn sene cái long ba nên con cái long cái chaka rung ngala yo i long ngala pule cái history mentang ngala yo mat ngala yo page dan kemat lejong kumno ki architecture ki triam ba sene ban senaying nang ta long
senaying no stay
no apart cái dong mentang business jo ngaru cái long ngala ikan tu sibun ki para startup cái long nilai share ki idea ngaru ngala share ki long ba ke gain confident ke ayu ngala yo nang ta ngala sneu sibun e ki mentoy ha ba ya dei bat ke business jo nga
Kendiat ngadan bencin keli pi. Piang mantan PI de kemat lajong. Beras kita lo sampai de kemat lajong sampai de kemat ibre.
Yang ni kan.
Ni bam kuai long kami hari Austria. Hak jaka bam judan kuai, bam judan shun, bam judan tempau. Tin rei penban ibam mentah. Apa ni long kamu di kuai sisa nak kasih nak kamu?
Kuai pareng.
Oh kuai pareng. Kuai pareng.
Kuai sisa ubang aladawan rak kenang ke.
Kuai pareng. So nice. Alright. Dah saya share yang video pak video perlok nilai yo ban ya kenduk sebun ki ngelak sutaj ban ping video maru labun pula ki ke. Sa supet no tanah kidur ni ki ni ngan rei tang lataj. Lataj mering video. Tindai ki jingyo yung mentor ni ki bon bang ya kenduk ki bren ki perlok nasa keleng ka jaka. So anyway, see you, ladies and gentlemen.